text functions. Okay. So these are used to modify text. Now, if you go to your formulas tab and see the text functions, here is a huge list of text functions. Okay. You might not know all of them, but most of them we can learn today. Okay. So today we will just learn these functions as standalone functions. Okay. We will try to learn them how they can be used individually. Okay. Without combining it with some other function. When the next class will begin, what we will do is we will try to learn them combining with different other text functions or other functions also, even with your VLOOKUP and if function, that also you can do it. Okay, as is the requirement of your text to be modified. Now the first function, okay, is the concatenate function. Now you can type this like directly if you know what the function does, and if you are confident using the function, you can always just say concatenate. Okay. Okay. But supposing you are new to the function, first time you are using the function, or you have forgotten how the function works, okay, and you are not confident, then you can click on concatenate. Now what does this concatenate does is, this function is very common to most of the other programming languages also. Okay, concatenate means to join. So if you want to join two texts together, then you use the concatenate function. Okay, like in, I have my name like this, Shali, and okay, I want to join these two texts. Supposing in the list I have got the first name separately and the second name, last name separately, and I want that all the names should be joined as one. Okay, so I can use the concatenate. And this is a very simple. So this is the first text which I want to join, and this is the second text which I want to join. I close the bracket and I will get actually for this. There is a problem with this. When I'm joining these two, I'm not having a space in between. Okay. So what you can do is you can modify this. What you can say is put a comma over here and you say I need a space over here. Okay. So there would be a space between the two. Another, if you do not want to use the concatenate function, there is an operator called as the AND operator, which is also known as the join operator. Okay. Most of the time we use this operator to join the text instead of writing the whole concatenate function. Now, how you can use this? Text number 1. Okay. Join this with a space. Text number 2. Okay. So even you can use this also. Okay, so there are two ways of joining the text. Either you can use the concatenate function or you can use the AND function, whichever you feel simpler. Okay, I prefer using the AND operator instead of writing the concatenate function. So this is an easy function. Okay, all the functions today you will find it to be easy. The problem comes when you join them. Okay, join them when you combine it with some other function. That time you will have to apply some kind of logic. Okay. Now the next is the dollar function. Now what does this dollar function does is it converts a number to a text using the currency format. Supposing I enter a number over here, say 78. Okay. And I want to have dollars before this. You convert this into a dollar. So just say dollar. And you say this is would be my number, and if you want to add decimals, suppose 2 decimals. Okay, so automatically you can add dollar. So you have got this number and these names should be represented as dollars. You can do this. Okay, then after the dollar function, what is the function exact? Exact says that whether the two texts which you have put, we did dollar function. Now after the dollar function, we will be using the next text function, Okay, after the dollar, I was saying exact. Now, exact, what does it? It matches the two texts whether they are exactly the same. Now, exact would be case sensitive, but naturally, because it is trying to check whether the two texts are similar. So, if something is in one text, it is written in capital, and in other text, it is written as small, that would be considered as this different text. So, this I say this is Vaishali, and this is Vaishali. If you see the length of these characters are same, the words used in these characters are same, but the only problem is here it is capital and here it is small. So if I want to check that whether they are matching or not, okay, exact. Okay, so they are not exact, but the minute I say then it is the exact function. Okay, the next function. The next function after exact is find. Okay, now this, there is an alternative function here. Rather, instead of using find, you can also use search. Now some people use search, some people use find. Okay, now if you use find, what would be the problem? It is a case sensitive. Okay, so if you write capital S and small s, it becomes, then it will not find. And if you are sure that the text is capital or small, then you can use search. Okay, anyways, first we will try to use find function. Now let us understand what parameters goes in the find function. Okay, this is very useful function. Okay, sometimes people find it complicated, but it is not once you understand it. Okay, sorry. Find. Okay, find text. Now what is find text? Find text is the text you want to find. Supposing in from my uh, name, I want to find where is the text A. Okay, where is the text A? Within which text? Okay, within this text, that is whatever is there in the A7. What is start number? Start number specify the characters at which you have to start your search. Okay, so if you are the suppose the first character in within the text is called character number 1. Okay, the first character within the text is always called, so 1 is okay. So if omitted, you will get it assumes that you are starting from character number 1. So I say start at number 1. So from the first character within that text, from the text, what is the position of A? The position of A is 2. Okay. If I put some other letter, supposing H. Okay. Now that is the fifth letter. Okay. And if I say from, okay, that is the fifth letter. So that is how you can find the text. Okay. That is find text. We will be using this function lot of times when we are using it with combinations. Okay. सपोज अभी ये मेरा नाम है, इसमें अपन कहेंगे कि थर्ड लेटर से, दैट इज VAI, थर्ड लेटर से ए की पोजीशन कौन सी है? ओके, लेट अस से फाइंड ब्रैकेट, क्या ढूंढना है? ए ढूंढना है। ओके, कौन से टेक्स्ट में ढूंढना है? जहाँ पे भी मेरा नाम है, कौन से लेटर से ढूंढना है? थर्ड लेटर से। ओके, बाय डिफॉल्ट हमेशा 1 रहता है, क्योंकि पीपल विल find most of the time from the first letter. Okay, it rarely happens that you have to find from the second letter. So sixth is the position. Okay, sixth is the position. VAISHA. My second A is at the sixth position. If I start it from the third letter, still it is in the sixth position. Okay, now, and that is the find function. Okay, now the next function is left. Okay. Now from the left, I have to extract certain characters. This function is rarely used in as a separate function. Matlab as on its own, you rarely use it. You will always combine it with some find or search function or length function. But today we are using it as standalone function. So left. From the left, I have to extract characters from the left. Okay. And find out a text. So this is my name. And I say from the left, you extract 8 characters. Okay. Now why this happened? Because I knew that this name, my name का जो size है वो 8 है, तो मुझे पता था कि वो मेरा पूरा नाम आएगा. Okay. Suppose if I would have said 4. Okay. Then it would have extracted only 4 characters. Okay. This we use most of the times while separating your names and surnames. Okay. Now, next is right. Now, right. Okay. How many characters from the right? 8 characters. Okay. This also I knew that there are 8 characters in my. I say only 4. Okay. Length. Length is used to find out the length of a particular character. Okay. Supposing I want to find the length of my first name. Okay. Again, this function you rarely use as a standalone function. It is used with some or the other functions. Okay. So the length of my name is 8. Okay. Got it? Length?
Yes.
Yeah. Is equal to length. Okay. 8 plus 8 and 1 space. Space is also counted. Okay. So the length of my name is 8. My surname is 8. Between that, I had given a space. So it counted the space. And now the length of the whole thing is 70. Okay. When I had joined KVS for the first time, they had given me a huge sheet wherein they had asked me to fill in my details. So in one column, they were asking me to fill the first name. In the second column, they were asking me to fill the second name. Then in the third column, name and surname together. I was thinking, यार तो 3 formulas लगा देते मुझे इतना टाइप नहीं करना पड़ता. It was a huge sheet. Okay, and what was happening is just if they could have used few formulas, filling of the sheets would have been very easy. Okay, so the work of HR is also reduced and the employee is also not frustrated. But then people should know how to use them. Okay. Anyways, okay. Now, what is the other function lower? What does lower function does is it converts the character into lowercase. Supposing if I have my names printed in uppercase, and this I have to convert into lowercase. So this converts into lowercase. Okay. The ulta of is this upper. Okay. So this case is uppercase. Okay. So lower and upper. Then the next function we did length, lower, okay, mid. Now what does mid does is this is a little complicated function for people to understand most of the time. Okay. But still we will have to understand it. Okay. Mid अभी शायद स्टैंड अलोन में उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगता है बट कॉम्बिनेशंस के साथ इफ यू यूज then you get a little confused with this function. Okay, anyways. Now, what is mid? Mid finds the character from the middle. Till now, we were finding the character either from right or from the left. Now, it is from the middle. Okay. So, let us understand the parameters of this function. What I'll do is I'll click on the mid over here so that it's easier to see the parameters. Okay. From the mid, what text you want to find? Okay. I say I want to find a space. Okay, how many number? Oh, sorry, this one. Huh. Text is the string on from which you want to extract the characters. So this is the string from which I want to extract the characters. How? Starting from number 1, that is the position of the character you want to extract. Okay. Number of characters you want to extract. Okay. So from the middle, now randomly it will extract from the middle. We cannot define a position over here. Okay. Later on we will be defining position also, but that happens when we use it with some combination. So I say you extract from the middle, supposing 2 characters. Okay. We'll say from the starting number 8. Starting number 8. Okay. And you extract only 1 character. Okay. P-A-I-S-H-A-L-I. And the 8th character. That is, okay, we'll say 9th character so that we get a space. Okay. So the 9th character which extracted was space. What I said this 9th, ये 9th के लिए हम लोगों ने ये 8th ये जो length function use किया था ना, length. So when we will be using this mid function in combination na, that time what we will do is, where is my length? Mid, that time here instead of writing 9 we will write length. Okay. So with that length will give us the number of character और फिर वहां से ये करेंगे. आज नहीं, हम लोग ये कल सीखेंगे, बट आप ध्यान में रखो. ओके. अभी तो ये मुझे पता है कि ये 9th पोजीशन है, इसके लिए मैंने 9th डाल दिया ताकि मुझे स्पेस मिल जाए जो मिडिल कैरेक्टर है. ओके. गेटिंग इट. मुझे पता है मेरा नाम जो वैशाली है वो कितना है, 8 कैरेक्टर का. हाँ yes. हमने ढूंढा था ना 8 कैरेक्टर है, और मुझे पता है 8 कैरेक्टर के बाद क्या आना चाहिए, स्पेस है, फिर उसके बाद मेरा सरनेम है. तो मुझे वैशाली परदेशी में से मिडल वाला कैरेक्टर ढूंढना है. मिडल वाला कैरेक्टर माने मुझे स्पेस ढूंढना है. ओके. तो मैंने क्या किया, वैशाली परदेशी विच इज इन C3. ओके. उसमें से जो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द नंबर 9th क्यों 8 पे खत्म हो जाएगा मेरा नाम. तो 9th पोजीशन क्या है, स्पेस की. एक ही कैरेक्टर ढूंढना है. तो कौन सा कैरेक्टर ढूंढा 9th पोजीशन में से, जो स्पेस था वो ढूंढा. अगर मैं सोचो इसको 2 कैरेक्टर करती हूँ तो वो मुझे P देता है, स्पेस और P. ओके. 4 करोगे तो स्पेस बस PAR. Getting it? Okay, so when we separate name, middle name, and surname, okay, we have these 3 things in a name. So we can separate person's first name in a separate column, his middle name in a separate column, and his last name in a separate column, instead of asking him to write in 3 different columns 3 different things. Okay. तो एम्प्लॉय को वो नहीं करना पड़ता है. आप उसको सिर्फ फॉर्मूला वो शीट में डाल के दो. द मिनट ही एंटर्स his first name, middle name and last name, the next 3 columns, the other things are getting filled on its own. Getting हुआ middle. अभी proper क्या करता है, केस को proper कर देता है. Proper means if it should be always the name should always have first letter as capital. Okay. So say proper. इसको proper में कर दो. Okay, so this became proper, right? That is the proper function. And proper हो गया. अभी replace what it does, it replaces the character. Okay, suppose in my name I do not want A, VRU ऐसे कुछ चाहिए. Okay, A की जगह VRUISHALI, Vrushali. Okay, instead of Vaishali as a name, I want it as Vrushali. Okay, so I can use the replace function over here. You can use the replace function also, and you can use the substitute function also. whichever you find easier. Some people find substitute easier, some people find replace easier. Now it depends upon how you have practiced and what you have practiced more. Okay, so उस हिसाब से आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो. ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज दैट वन ऑफ देम इज, नहीं इसमें केस सेंसिटिविटी का इश्यू नहीं है, फाइंड और सर्च में है वो. ओके, सो वी विल यूज द replace function. Okay, a better idea is when you are learning the first functions for the first time and you don't know the parameters, always use this box, because this box always gives you what has to be done. Okay, so you will not make a mistake. Okay, replace old text. Old text is the text which you want to replace with some characters. So we had decided that we will replace this A, very small a. This A, okay, starting number is the position of the character in the old text you want to replace. So I want to replace my first A. Okay, how many characters I want to replace? 2. Okay, with a new text. Okay, that is the number of characters you want to replace. One minute, something has gone wrong. New text is the character that will replace the old character. New text. Ah, this will be, sorry. Okay, so from A7, starting at number 1, okay, I want to replace 2 characters, okay, that is R and U. Okay, from the starting position 2 we will say. Okay, so second number, okay, second character, that is A, 2 characters I have to replace RU. Okay, so old text is A7, that is my name, 2 characters, that is the second character I have to replace. Okay, how many characters I have to replace? 2. Okay, if I say 3, then I can replace this with 3 characters also. Characters, okay, 1 minute. 63. Just hold on. Oh. Okay, so that is the replace function. Now we will do repeat. What does repeat? Does it repeats? Okay, so it will that mean